This video covers the IGCSE Biology Objective 4.1.4c on the 2025 CAIE syllabus to describe the structure of a DNA molecule with bonds between the bases. So we're going to talk about the bonds between the bases. We can see here that there are two sides to our DNA ladder and that there are two different bases that are attached across the rungs of our DNA ladder. And so what happens is each base is bonded across the ladder rung, and they're bonded with something called a hydrogen bond. And this hydrogen bond, this bond between the bases, so a base is attached to the side of the ladder, either to the phosphate group or to the deoxyribose sugar. You don't really need to worry about that, but clearly the bases are attached to the sides of the ladder, but they're also attached across the rungs themselves by this hydrogen bond. And so the two sides of the DNA ladder, that is the phosphate and the deoxyribose sugar, are held together in this ladder formation by the bonds between the bases, this hydrogen bond. So let's just very quickly talk about what hydrogen bonds are. You may already be familiar with this from chemistry if you've taken chemistry. But basically, a hydrogen bond is an electromagnetic attraction created between a partially positive hydrogen atom and an electronegative atom. We see this with water, and so that's why I've just put this example here. So the side of the water molecule that has the hydrogens tend to be more positive, and the side of the water molecule without the hydrogens tends to be more negative. So this creates a little electromagnetic attraction. It's not a chemical bond, that's why it's called a hydrogen bond. So it's an electromagnetic attraction between the positive hydrogen side of the water molecule and the negative side of the water molecule, the side that has mostly oxygen on it. And so this creates this attraction that is not a chemical bond. It can be broken, but it is fairly strong to hold the two molecules that are electromagnetically attracted to each other connected. So in our DNA molecule, which is pictured here on the left, we can see that there are some hydrogen bonds between the bases that are across our ladder rungs, and we see that with those little dashed lines that I've highlighted on the diagram.